So hello everyone, so this video I'm going to show you how to display date and time in Android Studio. So it's a simple step, let's get started. So first you have to open Android Studio, you have to come to your activity main.xml and so you're going to just display so your text view is perfect. Just add constraints. So that's good. So let time TV. So now we have the main and the Java and we'll refer it. Yes, something equal to find dot ev. So here's the main thing. So now we are going to extract the current date and time. So yes, so it's a date. That's the type date. It will be CR something equal to calendar calendar dot get instance dot and you can see a bunch of options coming here. You can do the following things by this. So but what we need here is get time. So that's it. So get time. Now we have got the date and time in the variable CR. So now we're going to just display it. So it's going to be cs dot set text CR. So it will definitely show an error as it's not in the form of string. So we're going to put string by using dot to string. So now let's run the app. So this is how the output looks like. We can get the day, Friday is the day, month, time, and GMT, how much the value is greater than the Greenwich Mean Time and the year respectively. So that's it. So thanks for watching, and for more Android tutorials, kindly subscribe and support. Thank you.